A symphony in the St. Pauli Elbtunnel, an acoustic and optical spectacle in a very special place. It's a joint project by the Hamburg Port Authority and Hamburg's College for Music and Theatre. When you compose contemporary music, you also think of off-the-wall places to perform it. I first thought about it 10 years ago when I saw the tunnel for the first time. Back then, big concerts involving hundreds of people were already in, and I thought we can do that here too. Both sections of the St. Pauli Elbtunnel are transformed into an 860-meter-long active musical space. A total of 144 musicians bring alive the city of Hamburg's historical monument acoustically.
Ja, so klingt der Hafen, würde ich sagen. Smart Music. Ich fand's besonders faszinierend.
It's the sound of the port. Smart music. It's fascinating. I used to play the accordion as a kid, but I've never seen anything like this. In terms of the composition, but also in terms of the technology used. Using iPads and the notes being fed in with time delays because the sound has to expand across the space. It's not your classical orchestra with a conductor in front. It's also being conducted by the technology. It's amazing, and also great that it's being performed against the backdrop of the beautiful old St. Pauli Elbtunnel.
Hier auch den wunderschönen alten St. Pauli Elbtunnel in Szene setzen kann.
Das ist schon eine besondere Idee, eine großartige.
It's a very special, very creative idea to see the old Elbtunnel not just as a historical structure, a symbolic structure, but to actually use the structure to bring alive the spirit of Hamburg as a city of music underneath the Elbe.
Hier unter die Elbe zu bringen.
This concert is being held as part of the reopening festivities for the eastern section of the St. Pauli Elbtunnel. The 100-year-old tunnel has been extensively renovated by the HPA and is back to its former glory. It really is an emotional project. Port is what we do.